Hi everyone. So it's Saturday morning, cleaning day, because I really didn't get a day off during the week. But usually, if I have a day off during the week, then that's when I'll clean. But I wanted to show you, if you've seen my previous videos, you've seen that you saw you saw my videos about the unboxing and how I love kits, and I got a couple cleaning kits. So I wanted to show you, I'm not lying when it comes to using this. You only need a capful. And in my last video, Squeaky Clean, I unboxed Squeaky Clean. I think this stuff came in that one. I don't know. I got so many cleaning kits. But remember, it's with this and a little recipe book, and it came with a box. Okay. So I just wanted to show you. All right. So for everyday cleaners, all-purpose cleaners, this is again, this is how little. All right. So 2 cups of water. Now I don't know. I don't know measurement. I mean, I know measurements, but like I don't know how big this is. Is it 16 ounces? I don't know. But this recipe for all-purpose cleaner, which I use for my bathrooms, kitchen, I even dust with it. So, and it works. It doesn't ruin my furniture, the wood we have or anything, the fireplace, nothing like that. But just to take caution, I would test. I would test it on your furniture to see. All right. So anyway, do that. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay, 2 cups. So 2 cups of water. I'm gonna get that. All right. Yeah, I clean once a week now because I don't mind it. I have amazing products that work, and it's safe. Safe. All right, almost done with this first cup. Okay. So I'm going to do this over the sink because I'm very clumsy and messy. So even though there's a little spout on my measuring cup, where am I? There I am. Hi. Okay. So great. Okay. So this is what I usually do. I usually put my first cup in there. Just so I have, just so what else needs to go in here can mix well. So for this, all the recipe calls for, I'm gonna have to go back through my videos. I honestly don't think this came in the Squeaky Clean. I can't remember. I think it was the kit, the cleaning kit before that. So, okay, so I have 1 cup in here, 1 out of 2 cups. And now this just calls for a capful. For 16 ounces, a capful of this. This is what I'm saying, you guys. This product goes a long way. This product goes a long way. So there's my capful. Again, over the sink. Okay, I got a little bit in the sink, so I'm just gonna. If you're more careful and not as clumsy as me, you can also get a funnel. Get a funnel, which I have plenty of, but I just now thought of it. You can get a funnel, stick it in your bottle, and then pour it in there, and it'll all go in there. But I didn't think of it until just now, so there's my tip. Okay. So just a capful. That's it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff goes so far. And I have 3 full bottles just because of the kits I bought. I'm not gonna have to buy any more of these for a while. That's what I'm saying. You save money because this goes so far. You guys, even let's see. I have a recipe for in your kitchen garbage disposal. Okay, that doesn't use these, but it does use essential oils in here in your garbage disposal, which is nice. That's nice, right? And then a light degreaser, 1 capful. 1 capful of this. This is 1 capful, and then for heavy degreaser, 1 to 2 capfuls, and then you just lessen the water. And then, I mean, there's a recipe. Let me see, for your floors. I used this last week, and I will demo the recipe tomorrow morning, because I don't have my attention span. It's not real good. It's very short. So one day I'll clean this, and this works for me. One day I'll clean my kitchen, bathrooms, and I'll dust, and then I'll vacuum. The next morning, that's when I'll do the floors, because I don't have a mop. I feel like mops tend to push the dirt, whereas when I'm on my hands and knees, which, trust me, it's not easy anymore at my age, mid-40s, not easy anymore. If I had like knee pads, my husband should have knee pads because what he does, but I don't. So I do get on my hands and knees, but I only have a half bath, a full bath, and the full bath isn't huge. It has a tub, sink, toilet, has a nice size counter, and my kitchen floor. I have hardwood floors in the bedrooms. There's not a lot of traffic, so I'll just vacuum in there. So I explain all that to give you the recipe for hardwood floors. So for the hardwood floors, 1 to 2 caps. And again, I'll demonstrate how I mix it all tomorrow morning, but that's it. 1 to 2 caps. I mean, it does have white vinegar involved. So that does help cut into the dirt and grime or whatever's on your floor. So what I have in here, 1 cup of water, 1 capful Thieves Household Cleaner. That's it. And then I'm also I like to put essential oils, whatever I want in there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So, you know what? In your kit, you also get a rag or a towel. And I'll use this on my mirrors because lint doesn't get all over them. But in your kit, you do get some oils. And I did go over this when I was unboxing. So what you have is citrus fresh, comes with it. Lemon also comes with the kit. Pine, my husband loves pine. He loves the smell of pine. He actually found a candle, a store-bought candle that we got a long time ago. Yeah, he found it. And he lit it. He lit the candle. No way. Pine. Diffuse pine. Pine essential oil. These oils are 100% pure, therapeutic grade oils. There's no perfume. So the pine comes straight from the natural oils, plants or trees or bark or anything in nature. They produce natural oils that Young Living farms will extract. They don't use any toxins and thieves. Amazing. They don't put any perfumes. They don't put any chemicals. Nothing dangerous goes in their oils. Nothing. From seed to seal. Pure. The store-bought, they legally, they don't have to put what's really in there. They don't. But the perfumes, that's the difference between $3 essential oils that you buy from the store, or like your more citrusy oils. Vitality, amazing. These are high quality oils. High quality. Store-bought, no, they have perfumes in there. They put other things in there to make it smell, to make the oils smell, I want, maybe better? I don't know, pleasant? Because a lot of these, since they come straight from the plant or flowers, they are very potent. So if someone doesn't like the smell, if they go outside and they don't like the smell of, like, I don't have a green thumb, but if they don't like the smell of a flower, of a rose, then, they may have difficulty with the rose essential oil, but you will get used to it. Your receptors will get used to it. You just have to put it on. And the benefits from these oils, the health benefits, you guys, health benefits. Amazing. Okay, so back to this. Gosh, I always do that. Okay, I'm still doing it. All right, sorry. Okay, back to the recipe. Okay. So what should I put in here? My husband loves pine, so why not put pine in there? All right, so for this, okay. And this is also one of those things where, you know how you season your food? Salt to taste. This is pretty much what it is. Add essential oils to, how well you can smell. I'll be here all week. Okay, so I'm going to, I don't know, 12 to 15 drops. And we'll see how that goes. And again, this is only 1 out of 2 cups of water. So it does look like this is 16. This is a 16 ounce bottle. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And yeah, I always go I always go more. I said 10 to 15 drops, but what I really meant was 15. Okay, so we'll see. Piney, ooh, refreshing. Oh my gosh. Okay. But you have to remember that there's going to be another cup of water going in there. So I think I'm gonna put 5 more drops in there. Oh, I love it. Love pine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Oh my gosh. Smell. Oh my gosh. It's like a walk in nature. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. Okay, so 1 more cup of water. It's coming. Hold on. Hold on. It's getting there. All right. So even though it has a lip on my cup right here, I'm still going to go over the sink. Because sometimes I get very ambitious. And I want to pour faster than this is willing to come out. All right. And then because it has the cleaning solution and the oil in there, what you want to do is before you use it, shake it. You want to shake it up, mix everything together. And I do this throughout my cleaning. Oh. Okay, let's spray it. Let's test this puppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So anytime I do cleaning, anytime I fill up or refill bottles, I'll put different oils in there, but you also want to shake it up so it all mixes together. And when you spray it, oh, you get the cleaning. The Thieves Household Cleaner that you mixed in with it. Again, just a capful will do ya. And you have the oil, and it's all working together to really clean your home and make it smell nice and has health benefits. So I'm gonna post a link where you can get these products, and yeah, try for yourself. Tomorrow morning I'll do a video on mixing for floors. Not real exciting, but just goes to show you how much money you can save purchasing this product right here. Thieves Household Cleaner. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. And it goes a long way. This has lasted longer than any store-bought product. So I think that's the main reason why I'm doing this video, to help you save money, to benefit your health, to benefit your family's health, your fur baby's health, and to really clean your home. So again, I'll post a link of where you can buy these products in the description, and I will see you soon.